Today, we'll join a small family to explore fish farming, where delicious and famous fish like groupers, barramundi, and pomfret are raised. The man is walking between two rows of black tiger shrimp ponds in Vietnam. These ponds are lined with rubber tarpaulins. The tarpaulin-lined shrimp farming model is becoming increasingly popular due to its ease of cleaning, disinfection, and efficient harvesting. Join 3 generations and a small family as we explore the Seafish VT Marine Fish Farm together. The sea and sky are breathtakingly beautiful today, with fresh, crisp air and small boats ready to take people out to sea. The small boat carries everyone out to sea, with the sounds of the engine, the wind, and the waves blending together in a beautiful and tranquil atmosphere. On both sides, many fishermen are farming various types of seafood, including fish, oysters, shrimp, and other marine species. A few dogs raised out at sea are barking, as if welcoming long-awaited visitors. Let's start our visit to the Seafish VT Fish Farm. The space is divided into many small sections, each used to raise different species of fish. This area of the sea has a depth of over 30 meters, making it ideal for fast-growing fish with higher nutritional value compared to other locations. These are groupers that are only 1 month old. They are usually fed with pellets, and as they begin to mature, they are switched to eating fish heads to increase their nutrition and promote faster growth.
Mà nếu không ăn hệ thắt chim thì giới có lên xuống dưới mất thầy.
Dạ, cám chim này mình cho nó vừa đủ.
The mature pomfrets swim gracefully beneath the water, captured by the camera lens as if they are gliding through colorful clouds. The dogs raised on the farm are primarily companions for the workers. They are well cared for and rarely get sick, as they have daily exposure to the sea. The workers at the farm pull up the nets and begin selecting the freshest fish, preparing them for delicious and nutritious meals. The scene is truly amazing. If you find it interesting, please support our channel by subscribing. We will create more high-quality videos about the process of raising fish from hatchling to harvest at the Seafish VT farm. Thank you so much for your support.
Cá mú, cá chẽn, cá bè không? Mày nha.
Hả, 3 loài hả?
Dạ.
Goodbye to a fascinating experience at the Seafish VT fish farm. The small family heads back to land, ready to enjoy delicious dishes made from fresh seafood.